Oklahoma is home to the strictest abortion ban in the nation. And while on the floor when it was all being discussed, lawmakers opposing the bill said it could call into question fertility treatments like IVF.
News 9's Brittany Toulis talked with the lawmaker who authored the bill.
Representative Wendi Stearman answered my questions on how those fertility treatments would work in conjunction with the law and where they could clash, along with how the law would be enforced.
The moment the two join together, the child is created.
Representative Wendi Stearman taking questions on the House floor prior to the total abortion ban's trip to Governor Stitt's desk. Lawmakers opposing the now law wanted answers on how it would affect treatments like IVF.
It was not even a discussion to limit IVF ever. That was brought up on the floor, but it was never a concern.
While the law doesn't mention IVF, it defines an unborn child as a human fetus or embryo in any stage of gestation. The confusion coming from the process of IVF, which fertilizes eggs for implantation. When a person or family is done having kids, those embryos are often adopted or discarded.
It doesn't necessarily address all areas of life before birth. It has very limited application.
Stating abortion is defined in this specific bill as terminating a pregnancy, which also can occur in those using IVF if too many eggs implant. It's called a fetal reduction.
You're getting down into details that would need to be discussed with a doctor, but the bill itself is terminating a pregnancy. So if a pregnancy is terminated, then this bill could be utilized.
She also saying the exception for the life-threatening circumstance could potentially be applied as well. There are exceptions for rape or incest if they are reported to police. Statistically, only about a third of assaults are reported.
That is a major concern. So my hope is that this will actually encourage reporting.
Clinics are also concerned people who miscarry could be targeted because they're suspected of having an abortion.
Losing a child is a traumatic situation, yes. If someone is asking questions, that has the potential to be traumatic.
Emergency contraception like Plan B is still legal under HB 4327. In studio, Brittany Toulis, Oklahoma's own News 9.